of the second equation of motion given in the form s is equal to ut plus half at squared. Let us consider a particle starting with initial velocity u. Let us consider its displacement to be s. It moves with uniform acceleration a and time of travel is t. Our intention is to find out the relation between these quantities. Let us see how to do this one. Now, if you consider a Vt graph, on a Vt graph, distance covered is equal to the area, isn't it? The distance covered is equal to area. Thus, now let us consider the distance. So, distance covered is s, that is displacement, because we are considering particle to be moving along a straight line path. So, s is equal to area. Now, let us calculate this area below the curve. What is it? This is the area we are talking about. This comprises of two parts. One is the triangular part and the second is the rectangular part. Let us first consider the rectangular part. This length is u, this length is t. So, I will consider it as area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Area of rectangle. Rectangle is of side u and t, so ut plus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. So, let us consider this half into. What is the height of this triangle? The height of this triangle is v minus u into base is t. Let us simplify it further. Ut plus half. Now, we need to simplify this part v minus u into t. So, now we know from first equation of motion that v is equal to u plus at. That gives us v minus u is equal to at. I will call this as equation number 2. So, substitute this equation 2 in equation 1. What do we have? S is equal to ut plus half. I am going to replace this v minus u. V minus u is at into t, or S is equal to ut plus half at square. Thus, the second equation of motion S is equal to ut plus half at square is derived like this. So, this remember once again is applicable only when the acceleration is constant. This equation can be represented in two other formats as well. What are those? S is equal to Vt minus half at square and S is equal to V plus ut divided by 2. These are the two different versions. So, remember three different versions of the second equation of motion are here: ut plus half at square, Vt minus half at square, half into V plus u into t.